In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall OneDrive. If you no longer need OneDrive on your computer, the good news is that removing it is usually very quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to find the app from your desktop and start the uninstall process directly from Windows Search. This is a useful option if you want to clean up unused apps, reduce background syncing, or simply stop using Microsoft's cloud storage service on this device. To begin, go to your desktop and press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open the Start menu and activate the search feature, which is one of the fastest ways to locate apps and system tools in Windows. If your keyboard doesn't have a clearly labeled Windows key, look for the key with the Windows logo on it. Pressing it once should bring up the menu right away. Once the search bar is open, type OneDrive. As you type, Windows should begin showing search results automatically. In most cases, OneDrive will appear near the top of the results list. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct app so that you're uninstalling the right program. This is especially helpful if you have multiple Microsoft-related apps installed and want to avoid clicking the wrong result. When you see OneDrive in the search results, click Uninstall. Depending on your version of Windows, this may open the app's settings page or a classic uninstall window where OneDrive is already highlighted. From there, Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the app. If a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and approve it to continue. After that, the uninstall process should begin. In many cases, it only takes a few moments. During this time, it's best to wait until Windows finishes removing the program completely before closing any settings windows. Once it's done, OneDrive should no longer be installed on your computer. If you still see OneDrive shortcuts afterward, don't worry right away. Sometimes shortcuts remain briefly, even after the app has been removed, and a quick system refresh or restart can help clear that up. Also, uninstalling OneDrive removes the app, but any files already saved locally on your computer may still remain unless you delete them separately. And that's it. That's how to uninstall OneDrive using the Windows search bar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.